To draw baby shark, do, start with a nice curve like that. And then we're going to draw another curve coming underneath, but not quite joining up, do, like that. And then here we want to draw a curve and another curve, and then curve in and curve out. Now, starting at the point here, we're going to draw a curve like that and two great big baby shark eyes, do. And the pupils are going to be like a letter C and another little letter C, and then we shade that in. So it's like a letter C and another little letter C, and then we shade in the other bit, and that makes them look really shiny. And then we can have a little smile, like a slice of lemon. And then we're going to want to have a fin and another fin, and the all-important fin on the top like that, coming down. And the really important thing that makes him look like a shark, 1, 2, 3, do. And now all you have to do is colour him in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, do, so you can keep coming back and doing lots more drawing. Bye. Do.